Credit cards. Welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential aspect of personal finance: how to properly use a credit card. When used wisely, a credit card can be a valuable financial tool that offers convenience, security, and rewards. Let's explore some key tips for using your credit card responsibly. Create a budget. Before using a credit card, it's important to establish a budget. Understand your income, expenses, and financial goals. This will help you set appropriate spending limits and avoid overspending. Pay the balance in full. One of the most crucial rules of credit card usage is to pay your balance in full each month. By doing so, you can avoid interest charges and debt accumulation, maintaining control over your finances. Make payments on time. Late payments can lead to hefty fees and damage your credit score. Always strive to make your credit card payments on time. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Monitor your credit utilization. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. A higher utilization can indicate a higher risk to lenders. So, for example, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 credit limit and you're carrying $300 worth of debt, that is your 30% utilization rate, so you wouldn't want to go any more than that. Use your credit card rewards wisely. Many credit cards offer rewards such as cashback, travel points, or discounts. Take advantage of these benefits, but make sure they align with your financial goals. Avoid overspending just to earn rewards. Be mindful of fees. Credit cards may come with various fees, such as annual fees, late payment fees, or balance transfer fees. Understanding the fee structure of your credit card and strive to maximize unnecessary costs. By following these tips, you can use your credit card as a responsible financial tool. It's all about maintaining discipline, staying within your means, and using credit to enhance your financial well-being. Thanks for watching. See you next time.